Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Connect by Smear. So we are going to do the next episode of 5 Minute Daily Quantos. Amazing, beautiful questions. With so many concepts will be covered in the episode 5 of it says this is from number system for prime number, but you also need uh know the concept of the basics of four set Venn diagram. Four set Venn diagram के how many positive integers are there between O prime 630? Okay. O prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Group of numbers that do not have any common. It's a group of numbers, pair of numbers, except one कुछ भी नहीं होना. For example, 12 and 7, right? 12 is basically of 2 and 3, right? 7 it's a number. See that in दोनों के बीच में common prime factor. Common factor is only 1. Common factor 1 है और कुछ भी common factor नहीं है. Therefore 12 and 7 are co-prime. Co-prime का prime number से कोई लेना देना. The definition. Pairs of numbers में कुछ common नहीं होना चाहिए except 1. तो क्या इन दोनों में से एक का प्राइम होना जरूरी है? टू कॉम्पोजिट नंबर भी आपस में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 12 is a composite number which is made of 2 and 3. Just make any other composite number with prime numbers जिसमें 2 और 3 नहीं यूज हो रहा, बिकॉज अगर मैं यहाँ पे किसी 2 का कोई मल्टीपल लूंगा, because 12 is divisible by 2. Any number which is multiple of 2 will not be co-prime with 12 because उनमें common factor का हो जाएगा. So I need another composite number here which is co-prime with 12. तो वो 2 और 3 से नहीं बना होना चाहिए. Any other prime like 5 and 7, 5 और 7 से 35 बनेगा. So 12 and 35 आपस में co-prime है क्या? Yes, they are co-prime, right? 35 is made of 5 and 7. Do you see any common factor among these two numbers? No. There's no common factor except one. So 12 and 35, right? So that's all this question. आपको co-prime की definition proper आनी चाहिए और उसका मीनिंग भी समझ में आना. ये सिर्फ definition का नो नो. So 100 or 200, how many positive integers are there between 100 and 200 which are co-prime 630? 630 का co-prime number मेरे को, right? Guys, look at this number. If you look at the number 630, if I do the factorization, this is 6 into, you can see that this is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 105 is made 7. So finally, the factorization of this would be 2 multiplied by 3 power 2 multiplied by 5 into 7. This is the factorization form of this number, right? ये इसका factorization हो. So can I say that if I want a number 630 के साथ co-prime हो, तो वो 2 का multiple नहीं होना चाहिए. Because 2 is a factor of 630. Any number which is a multiple of 2 will not be co-prime. Any number which is a multiple of 3 will also not be co-prime with 630. Why? Because 3 का जो 3 is a factor of 630, तो 3 का कोई भी मल्टीपल 630 के साथ को-प्राइम नहीं हो सकता. सिमिलरली नंबर 5 का भी मल्टीपल नहीं होना चाहिए और नंबर 7 का भी मल्टीपल नहीं होना. सो बेसिकली टू आंसर माय क्वेश्चन कि के बीच में ऐसे कितने नंबर्स हैं साथ को-प्राइम होंगे, मेरे को 100 से 200 के बीच में वो सारे नंबर्स को माइनस जो 2, 3, 5 और 7 के मल्टीपल numbers which are the multiple of 2, 3, 5 or 7, I need to subtract those numbers. So 2 के multiples आने पड़ेंगे. Okay, so basically between 100 and 200, if I subtract all the numbers which are the 2, 3, 5 and 7, right, individually, then rest of the numbers will be co-prime with 630 because उसमें 3, 5, 7 के factors नहीं होंगे. So now this is a task for which you need the knowledge of set theory, right? If I want 100 से लेके 200 के बीच इतने ऐसे नंबर्स हैं जो 2, 3, 5, 7 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. वंस यू गेट टू नो दैट नंबर, तो टोटल 100 और 200 के बीच में टोटल 101 नंबर है, उसमें से मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा, आई विल गेट माय आंसर. तो अब ये काम करने के लिए, ये टास्क को कंप्लीट करने के लिए वेन डायग्राम की नॉलेज चाहिए, राइट? कैसे? बिकॉज देयर विल बी, आई कैनॉट स्ट्रेट अवे सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑल द नंबर्स व्हिच आर द मल्टीपल. फॉर एग्जांपल 100 और 200 के बीच में टोटल 101 नंबर और 2 के मल्टीपल 50. So I cannot subtract straight away all the numbers which are the multiple of 2, because there will be some common number which are 2 as well as 3. जो नंबर 2 का भी मल्टीपल है, 3 का भी मल्टीपल है, 3 के मल्टीपल में भी आएगा, राइट? सो डुप्लीकेशन हो जाएगा. Therefore, uh, sep- uh, if you want to find out all the numbers which are the multiple of 2, 3, 5 and 7, for that you need to make a four set Venn diagram. Four set Venn diagram से आंसर बहुत easily आ जाएगा. कैसे आएगा? Let's have a look. Right. तो four set Venn diagram का knowledge आपको होना चाहिए. If I want a four set Venn diagram, how we are supposed to make a figure? You first need to make a 3 into 3 matrix. सबसे पहला काम 3 into 3 के matrix का कर रहे हैं. Right. Then use four triangles here. Find the area. So this is basically one area. This is our second area. This is our third area. This is fourth area. So now we will be entering all these values, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 4 numbers. So I'll be writing down all the numbers which here are the numbers which are the multiple of 3. Here are the numbers which are the multiple of 5 and here of 7. Now 100 or 200 के बीच में 2 के multiples, right? If I want to find out the multiples, it's very simple. 200 में से 100 को minus करो. Every second number is a multiple of 2. And because the values at the extremes are also supposed to be included, तो 1 add करना पड़ेगा. 200 minus 100 हो गया 100. 100 by 2 50. 50 plus 150. Right? क्या बच्चों? 1 add इसलिए किया because extreme वाली दोनों values को include करना है आपको. Therefore last number minus first number divided by 2 because every second 1 इसलिए extreme वाला number include करना है. 50 numbers which are the multiple of 2. Similarly, if I want to find out how many numbers are there which are the multiple of 3, how will you find it out? पहला नंबर कौन सा है? 10 100 के बाद जो 3 का मल्टीपल है दैट इज 102. लास्ट नंबर राइट जो 3 का मल्टीपल है दैट इज 198. नाउ 102 से 198 के बीच में कितने मल्टीपल्स है 3 के? सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. लास्ट नंबर माइनस फर्स्ट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 3 प्लस 1. प्लस 1 इज 4 बिकॉज एक्सट्रीम वाले नंबर्स 198 minus 102 is 96. 96 by 3 32. 32 plus 1 the total 33 numbers which are the multiple of 3 guys, right? So total ऐसे 33 numbers हो गए जो 3 के multiples होंगे, right? Similarly if I want to find out 5 के multiple, 5 का पहला multiple 100 है और last multiple is 200, right? Okay. So what will be the value? 100 और 200 से लास्ट नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया. लास्ट नंबर में से फर्स्ट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 5 प्लस 1. 200 माइनस 100 100. 100 बाय 5 20. 25 के जो मल्टीपल है या टोटल 21 इंक्लूडिंग द नंबर्स, राइट? सो एक्सट्रीम वाले नंबर्स को इंक्लूड करके. और 7 के मल्टीपल्स अगर आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर्स व्हिच आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, तो 100 के बाद पहला ऐसा नंबर जो 7 का मल्टीपल दैट वुड बी 105. और आखिरी जो नंबर है 7 से डिवाइड 6. Right? 196 is the last number. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस माइनस 105 डिवाइडेड बाई 7 प्लस 1. 196 माइनस 105 91. 1 by 7 plus 1 30. तो नंबर जो 7 के मल्टीपल 14 हो जाए. Now once you know this, right? अब काम खत्म नहीं हुआ because bit lengthy question, right? Calculation थोड़ा ज्यादा है और 4 set Venn diagram का कौन, right? What we have to do now is वो सारे numbers जो multiple times count को individually values individual values करना पड़ेगा. Look at it. Numbers which are the multiples of 2 and 3. You see that guys, ये जो segment है, this is a segment for 3 आएंगे. This is the whole segment. This is in the numbers which are the 2 and 3, right? 4 set Venn diagram के base. यहाँ पे this is a number which is a multiple of 2 and 5 on. This you can see that this corner coming under 3 and 5. तो यहाँ पे numbers आएंगे जो 3 और 5 का multiple. ये जो corner है, look at this corner. This is coming under 10 7. So this is the region where you will be writing the numbers which are the multiple of, and here you'll be writing the numbers which are the multiple of 2 and 7, right? यहाँ पे 2 and 3. ये middle में जो 4 corners है, 4 cells, यहाँ पे देखो this segment, this cell is coming between 2 3 and 5. यहाँ 2 3 5 के मल्टीपल, यहाँ पे 3 5 7 के मल्टीपल, यहाँ पे 2 7 के मल्टीपल्स, और यहाँ पे डालना पड़ेगा आपको 2 5 and 7 के मल्टीपल। सो ये सारी वैल्यूज आपको। Now let's find out the numbers which are the multiple 2 and 3. पर जो 2 and 3 के multiples है, that means those are the number of 6. तो numbers जो 6 के multiple 6 के multiple से आएंगे, थर्ड और 2 के multiple। पहला multiple जो है number first number which is a multiple of 6 is what? 96 102, right? और last number जो है 200 को 6 से divide करो तो 2 का remainder 198, right? Yes, 198 is the last. The numbers which are the multiple of 2 and 3, 6 के जो multiples होंगे 198 minus 102 divided by 6 plus 1, this will become 96 upon 6 plus 1, 17. 6 के जो multiples तो 7. Okay, now I want to write down the numbers, right? This is the whole segment. ये 2 और 3 का पूरा segment है. See that? Because this is not 2 and 3 only. This is numbers which are the multiple of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 only जो होगा वो इस ट्राइंगल में आएगा। 2 and 3 में तो ये पूरा पार्ट कॉमन है, ये पूरा 17 नंबर। Similarly, I need to find out the numbers which are the multiple of 2 and 3 के बाद I also need to look at 3 and 5, numbers which are the multiple of 3 and 5, right? Write it down over here. Let's create some space here, right? Numbers which are the multiple of 3 and 5. So guys, 2 and 3 के हमने देख लिया, तो I'm just writing down the numbers here. 2 and 3 के 6 के multiples हमारे, I straight away write it down, numbers which are the multiples 2 and 5, that is 10 के जो multiples, 10 के multiples सीधा 200 100 by 10 10 10 1 11 डन हो जाएगा। Numbers which are the multiple of 2 and 7, that 14 के जो multiples, 14 के multiples कितने होंगे? पहला multiple बाद जो आएगा that would be 112, last would be 100 को 14 से divide किया, 4 का remainder तो 196 आएगा, right? So just take a subtraction between these two numbers. 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 1 8, divided by 14 plus 1. So there will be 7 such number which are the multiple of 14. Now the numbers which are the multiples of 3 and 5, that means 15 के multiples लें। 15 के multiples में कौन से numbers आएंगे? Look at the first number will be 105, last number 15, 100 को 50 आए, 5 minus कर दो 195, राइट? सो 195 लास्ट मल्टीपल हो गया, डिफरेंस आएगा इनका 90 90 by 15 56 plus 1, so 15 के जो मल्टी, those will be again 7, right? Now 3 और 5 हो गया, now let's look for the numbers which are the multiple of 3 and 7, that is 21 के मल्टीपल, 21 के जो मल्टीपल्स होंगे, right? और numbers which are the multiple of 21 would be, the first number would be again 5, the last number 199 189. The difference is 9 minus 5 4, 84 84 is 5. 5 numbers 21 के multiple. Now we are just left with one case which is 5 and 7. First which are the multiple 7, 5 के number आप ऐसे calculate कर सकते हो, 105 140 and 1, right? 3 numbers आएंगे जो 35. Now you also need to find out जिसमें 3 के combinations. Just find 2 and 5, 3 and 5 and 7. 7. What about the numbers which are the multiples of 2 3 and 5? 2 3 5 का मल्टीपल है जो नंबर्स 30 के मल्टीपल, 30 के मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट कर, पहला 30 20 150 180, 30 के मल्टीपल्स will be 3 only. Numbers which are the multiples of 2 5 and 7, that means 70 के multiple, 70 के multiples will be what? 140, only one multiple, right? Numbers which are the multiple of 2, 3 and 7. 42 के कितने मल्टीपल्स आएंगे? 180 plus 1 एक हो रहा है, दो मल्टीपल, and the numbers which are the multiple of 3, 5 and 7, that only one. 200 एक ही multiple. Now there is only one case we are left with, numbers which are the multiple of 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 का multiple 3 into 2, 6, 6, 30, 30 into 7, 210, 10, 100, 200 के बीच में 210 का कोई multiple नहीं. That's it now. You just have to put the values inside. This number is 0, right? ये number 0 हो गया. Now you see that यहाँ पे 3, 3 वाले values are. We should be filling in this value. Numbers which are the multiple of 3, 30, 30 के जो multiple 2, 3, 5. So you see that ये segment, ये वाला जो cell है, multiples हुए 3. This segment is a number which is a 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7 means 105 के multiple. ये वाली value 1 आ जाएगी. Look at this number. This is a number और 7 में आ रहा है. 2, 3, 7 means 42 के multiple. This number is 2, right? Look at this segment. This is a 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7 means 70 के multiple. This one. This is done. What I need is the values. Now look at it, guys. This whole which are the whole region. This complete region is 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 हो गया. So this number has to be 12, right? Now, if I look at the numbers which are the multiple of 10, 10 के multiple means 2 and 5. Now look at it, guys. 2 and 5 में जो common are the 4 cells, right? 2 and 5 only नहीं है. 2 and 5 is 10 के multiple. This is the complete, this is combination of 4 cells which are the multiples of 10. That means 2 and 5. This the value of total of this is 11. तो उसमें ये 3, ये 4, 3 plus 0 plus 1, 4. तो यहाँ पे 7 बचा. So this value will be 7. And numbers which are the multiple of 14, 14 means 4, 7. 4, 7 के अंदर चार, इनका चारों का टोटल 7 होना चाहिए. Plus 1, 3 हो गया. So this number will be 4, right? Now this is ये 4 जो है 3 और 5 मतलब 15 के multiple and 5 and 5 3 and 5 15 के multiple 4. तो ये वाली value 3, right? And if you look at this 3 and 7 now, 3 and 7 means 25. So 21 के जो multiple 21, ये चारों का जो है वो 3 और 7. 21 के 5 multiple जैसे 2, 1 ये 0 ये 3, right? अब एक वैल्यू बची numbers which are the multiple of 5 and 7. 5 और 7 वाला जो region है, this is the region. This is the region which represent the numbers which are the multiple of 5 and 7. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 5 और 7 के total 3 हुए. ये सारा जो बचा वैल्यू, this is 1. Right? Quite lengthy, right? In terms easing concept, four set Venn diagram भी cover this question. Now you see these guys, right? ये total value 50. उसमें से ये numbers, whole region is 51. Now 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 12, 29, 20, 21. Calculation again, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 31. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 14, 17, 29, 29 plus 20. This value will, now this whole region is 33. ये जो ये 3 का multiple है 30. 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 2, 19, 3. 23 तो ये बचेगा 21, 5. This is 14. 4 plus 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. This value will be. Now, if I add all these, get the numbers which are the multiple of either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. So 2 union 3 union 5, 7. That will be the addition of all. Number है 51 तो ये plus 10, 67, 70 plus 1, 73 plus 3, 76, right? So out of total number 100 के बीच में टोटल 101 है, उसमें से 76 नंबर्स ऐसे हैं, दे आर 76 सच नंबर्स जो 2357 के मल्टीपल्स हैं, राइट? दीज आर द 76 सेपरेट नंबर जिसमें कुछ कॉमन नहीं है। So 76 नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जो या तो 2 के मल्टीपल है या 3 या 5 या 7 के मल्टीपल। एनी नंबर व्हिच इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 और 3 और 5 और 7 कैन बी 5 7 is तो 101 numbers will be left with 25. There will be 25 such numbers. Answer will be 20, which are between 100 and 200, and their co-prime is 630. So 25 numbers, 100 and 200, 630. Number 5 of our daily quantos. In this series, guys, we over 100. Her question में you can see that there is a separate concept, easing concept, right? Different type of concept. इस ज़्यादा अब एक ही क्वेश्चन से आप चैप्टर कवर हो रहा है. So if you follow this series, this will help you. So much for joining the session, guys. See you in the next part, episode number 6. Thank you. Bye bye.